Y'all have some spicy questions. Do you have herpes? What's good, babes? It's your girl, well, as some of you may know, as the Brat of Sonny the Brat, Brat's Magazine, Spoiled Brat, whatever y'all know me as. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing something a little bit different. I am inside of my car and I am vlogging. I am doing an updated Q&A. I wanted to rebrand my channel. Like, I think I outgrew my other channel. I wanted something more so of that explains me and my life. You get what I'm saying? Like, I wanted to just give y'all something different. I needed something with a catch to it. I needed a saying. I needed a phrase. Something that, you all can remember. Like, oh yeah, here come, da-da-da-da. But anyways, without further ado, I want to go ahead and get into this video because I know y'all have some spicy questions and y'all have a lot of questions that I want to make sure that I answer. So make sure y'all grab your popcorn, grab your snack, grab your lip gloss, fix your gloss if you already got some on, okay? And make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, baby, because we about to get right into it. So let's get started. First for starters, I want to say I've been a Brat since day one. I was born to shine, raised on the glam, and now I'm bringing y'all along for my ride, okay? Hello. If you know, then you know. From lifestyle tips, beauty tutorials, daily vlogs to family moments, we're doing all the things with a little chaos and a whole lot of love. So hit that subscribe button, fix your gloss if you already got some on, okay? So y'all, let's get into these questions. So, the first question I have is, what inspired you to start a YouTube channel? Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. I've always been, like, the type of person that loves to, like, entertain or to give, like, little vlog my life or, do little things like that, little tutorials and stuff like that. Like, you can even ask my mom and my sisters. Like, I've literally always been the one to, like, vlog my life or show people, like, behind the scenes and stuff like that. Like, I've just always been that type of person. And then I just realized one day when my sister came up to me, honestly, my sister inspired me the most because we started off as the Sweet Sisters. And when we started to vlog a lot, I was like, oh, wow, I'm really starting to like this. Like, I started to like it a lot. Then when my older sister went to college, it was just like all of it stopped. And I was so upset because I'm like, dang, I really enjoyed that. Like, I really loved that. And like my sister, she was always on our back like, we need to vlog, we need to vlog, we need to vlog, we need to vlog, we need to vlog. But we just never like really took it serious. Like, we were getting views off of views, but we just never took it serious. And I really do hope one day, like, my sister and I, we can literally come together and like I can just show like BTS of like our lives and what we be doing or whatever and stuff like that. But I don't know y'all. But yeah, that's what always inspired me. My sister inspired me the most. And then I just really started to like really inspire myself because I started to like do like mini vlogs like on Snapchat and stuff like that. And I'm like, well, why don't I just get my own camera and just vlog? Because I've started off on my phone, then I went to my iPad, and now I'm here with the camera. So that's what inspired me, my oldest sister, of course. What's your biggest goal for this year? I have a lot of goals, but one of my biggest goals this year is to really be patient with myself, learn myself, and to have a clear head, to think with a clear mind. Put all of that together is really get closer to Jehovah. I really need to get closer to Jehovah. That's one of my biggest goals for this year, is to really refocus my life and get my life together so that I can pivot the right way. I mean, do y'all really do think that the world is just here? Y'all really think the world just appeared? I don't know. Some people just be like aliens and stuff like that, but that's not me. Like, I really honestly think there is a God. I don't know about anybody else, but y'all can let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. But that's really one of my biggest goals this year, is basically just being patient with myself. Just being appreciative of the smaller things in life and not always focusing on, like, the big wins and, stuff like that. And drawing closer to Jehovah because, yeah, times is getting crazy. What's the weirdest food combination you actually love? Ooh, y'all, I have a couple weird food combinations. Like, I love, y'all know, like, the little chicken fingers or whatever, the kid chicken fingers. I love them chicken fingers with cinnamon applesauce. I dip that in the cinnamon applesauce and I eat it. Another one I like is I get the McDonald's fries. I feel like a lot of people do this, though. And I get a McFlurry, an Oreo McFlurry with extra Oreos. Okay, top and bottom. Like, I have to taste the cookie when I eat it. So I dip the fries in there and then I eat it with the, you know, the McFlurry. And a lot of people say that's weird, but honestly, it's really, really good. Don't knock it until you try it. I think it's really, really good. Another one, I'm gonna give y'all 3. Another one I have is, I feel like a lot of people do this too, hot chips and pickles or pickle juice. Like, I feel like a lot of people do that, so I don't really feel like it's weird. But I don't know, I like pickles anyway, like. Alright, another question I have is, what's one lesson life taught you the hard way? I'm gonna piggyback on what I said as far as my goals. Like I said, to be patient with myself and to honestly, I really have to stop giving out more love than I'm receiving, because I have that problem. Like, I just have a big heart and I tend to like I tend to dish out more than I'm getting dished back out to me. And that's a problem that I need to like really, really work on. And I'm working on it. Like, riding for people more than they rode for me, or like doing stuff for people that I know wouldn't do the same for me if they were in my shoes. Like, if I was to ask them like, hey, can you come do this for me? Like, they wouldn't do the same. Like me, I'm willing to jump up out of my sleep or to stop what I'm doing to go do with whatever the person is asking me. Because when I love people, I love really hard. So I would do the ins and the outs for you. Like, I will go to the end of the end of the end of the end of the end for you to make sure that I'm executing whatever that you need me to do. And that's just something I just got to work on within myself. And I got to really honestly learn. And I need to start accepting, like, once the person starts to show me the red flags, I need to stop what it could have been and see it for what it is, not for what it could be. It could be this, it could be no. They showed you what it was. They showed you their hand. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing way better than I did like back then, because back then I was just so gullible and genuine, and I was just letting people do me any type of way and then forgiving them. Like, no, I'm not going to be forgiving you after, you know, you done show red flags and you done show me time after time that you can't be trusted or 100% loyal towards me like I am towards you. Like, it's 95-5. Like, come on now. People really genuinely honestly know what they do to you. And some people are just really messed up individuals and they don't care. So it's just like, I'm not going to be repeating myself to you or even telling you what you did wrong, because you know exactly what you did wrong. And you know your guilty conscience will end up eating you up, and then eventually they be trying to come back into my life and like hit me up. Like, no, you knew that you were guilty. You knew what you did was wrong. Like, and now you want to try to come back because you knew what you did was wrong. Like, no, we're not doing that. We're just not doing that. So honestly, life is just teaching me, believe them red flags, okay? Stop trying to see for what it could be and see for what it is. That's basically, long story short. If you could give your younger self advice, what would it be? If I could give my younger self advice, it would definitely be, stop trying to get wrapped up into the world. I understand, like, when you're at a young age, you know, you want to experience things, you want to see what the world talking about, do this and that, you want to, you know, do things that you're not even supposed to be doing. If I could go back in time and like rearrange who I decided to surround myself with and the activities I did, like I got myself into, like drinking at a young age, knowing I'm not even supposed to be drinking. Like, I can say this now because I'm grown. But I mean, my mama knows now, like, you know, because I tell my mom everything. I mean, y'all should know too. My parents and stuff, they are not stupid. Okay? They are not stupid. They know when you drinking, they know when you smoking, they know when you doing XO in and outs. Like, they know, you know. But I just wish I would have, you know, got around different people. I wish I wasn't so like scared to venture out and to get to know other people, do different things that people is scared to do. I tried out volleyball one time, y'all, and it just didn't work out for me. I didn't even make the team, but I tried it out, and I guess I just gave up after that. I was like, you know what? Forget it. Like, and that, I'll tell my younger self too, don't give up so easily. Like, just because one door closed for you does not mean that X amount of doors is not waiting to open for you. And I wish, like, when I would have got out of school, like straight out of school, I just would have went straight into school, like to college. But I've never been the type to, like, school period. It's just not for me. Like, I don't know if I have a learning disorder or what, but I just cannot. Like, I just get so fidgety. I don't know. Maybe I need to learn my own learning mechanism. Like, and I was a smart student in school, don't get me wrong. I was straight A student, A, B, honor roll, like, all of that. I was all of that. But it's just, like, having to go to school to study, the stress, like, I don't know. I just got real stressed out in school, y'all. Like, school stressed me out. If you could meet any celebrity, dead or alive, who would it be? Honestly, I really want to meet Ari. She seems so down to earth. Like, and I just really love her. I didn't watch her from younger days on up. Like, she has grown like so much. Another one I want to really meet is NBA Youngboy. Everybody should already know that. I've been wanting to meet that man for the longest. Okay, but I don't think I'm gonna go to his concert because them tickets are buku crazy. And honestly, I'm not even gonna cap to you. I just feel like the concert, it might be so much stuff that go on after, because drinking and listening to his music, you better be ready to stretch some, and I'll be damn. Who do you text the most? Honestly, y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I do not like texting, and I barely like calling. Like, do not call me, do not text me. Like, I don't know, I'm so weird. I don't be wanting to talk sometimes. That's why my phone be on D&D all the time, because I really do not like talking half of the time. Like, I just don't. But if I had anybody to say, I would definitely say my family group chat. So I talk to my family really the most. Now, y'all are crazy. Somebody said, LMAO, are we going to see some toes in your vlog? I don't know. Y'all might see some toes in my vlog. I don't even know, y'all. Be honest. How many people got a crush on you right now? I really don't even know how many people got crushes on me, because people don't necessarily tell me that they got a crush on me. It just be people in my DMs saying the same exact thing over and over again. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Oh my God, let me take you out. Oh my God, this. Oh my God, that. And it's just like, oh my gosh, say something different. All y'all say the same thing. So I really don't know. The next question I have, it says, are you a clingy person in relationships? I wouldn't really say that I'm clingy. I do like being around my man. Like, once I get a man, like, I just like being around him 25/8. Like, sometimes I might be like, all right, babe, like, we need some space. Like, I might go in my living room and he'll go play the game or something like that. But I don't even like dudes that play games. Like, boy, what do you have time to do? Go make you some money. Why is you playing a game? Like, with the world. But I wouldn't say that I'm that clingy, but I do like to be around my man. Like, I like to do activities with my man. I don't really like to go out or none of that like that. And if I do go out, I want to go out with my man. So I wouldn't really say that I'm clingy, but I am a little clingy. Like, when we start to lay down and stuff, like, I'm the type to like to watch movies and be all up on you, and I'm a weirdo in a relationship. Like, I do like weird little stuff. I might bite you out of nowhere. Like, that's it. Have you ever flirted with someone while in a relationship? No. I'm very loyal when it comes to a relationship. Like, I feel like that's the part. Like, a lot of people think that cheating is just, oh, you go link up with a person or you do whatever 1-2-1-2 with the person. But I feel like you can cheat doing a whole lot of things. Like, if you thought about going to do something with somebody or something like that, or you were getting ready to do something like that, then I feel like that's a part of cheating. If you like this person just asked me if I ever flirted with someone while in a relationship, I feel like that's cheating. It doesn't matter if y'all didn't execute and link up and go home with one another. You ain't take that person home or whatever the case may be. I feel like it's a lot of ways for cheating, and people don't understand that nowadays. Like, they think that you're supposed to just be doing a 1-2, oh, and you cheated. No. Or you texting someone, you cheated. No. It's many ways that it's considered cheating. Y'all can agree in the comments? The next question is, what made me want to rebrand? Really, honestly, I wanted to rebrand myself, like I said in the beginning of the video, is because I felt like I wanted something more that explains my life and what I'm doing. Plus, I feel like my page was a little bit all over the place. Like, I really didn't tell y'all what my page was giving and what I'm here doing. I feel like I was just doing stuff. Like, I was doing my podcast and everything. Like, I was dropping all of that on this channel when it needs to be separated. You get what I'm saying? So that was the whole reason why I did a rebrand and stuff like that. Plus, I wanted something different. Like, I wanted to come to y'all a little bit differently. Last but not least, do you have herpes? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. To be honest, I'm living in my truth. But are you? Are you living in your truth? Because me personally, I'm loving my life. I'm living my life to the fullest. I love my life. And honestly, that's all I really got to say about that. Is that continue to live in your truth. So with all of that being said, we're going to end off that video right there. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you tune in. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.